Hey, what's up? Welcome to another Dirty Berry show. My name is Dirty Berry, and right about now I'm here to talk about Omar McLeod and that particular social media comment. First of all, I'm officer, welcome to all the new subscribers. Big up on yourself, enough love. Alright, to kickstart things, I'm going to say congratulations to Omar McLeod on winning the 110-meter hurdles for men at the Rio Olympic Games.
He knew he could do it, so he had that confidence of that, and now he has in fact quite
Wally clap for that, Wally clap for that, Wally clap for that, Wally clap. Personally, me no really too love watch 100, me no like watch hurdles race at all, just because the risk factor, because over every single hurdle where somebody jump over, I feel they like Movado. But the brother managed to jump over all, how much of them, 9 or 10? 9 or 10 at the hurdle them, and make it cross the finish line with actually a gap, a lead. Me never that surprised because we didn't know it possible. Kind of come in with like the fastest time for this year. But you know how the hurdle something they go. You still have to kind of cross it and hopes and about a triple fight and then lick him off and then that's just it for him. Because of that did reach McLeod at the World Championships last year.
Martin Odegaard hits it hard. Merit is looking clean at the moment.
Because say Omar get the gold medal, the only thing that just kind of pissed me off is that Hans Parchment did end up injured. Okay, you know, say a 2 medal will I get right there, so you know. Oh, and before me, I go forget, big up the brother here with it in the lineup. Must say a lane 8 or lane 9.
Watch what you say and the things you do. Wreck yourself, go wreck yourself.
No man, him did just well too confident. I use a crazy hype. Alright, so let me get to the meat of the matter now. So Omar McLeod won the 110 hurdles for men, right? Everybody, well, with me, I kind of say I congratulate him. You know, it's a big historic happy moment for the brother. And all of a sudden, me just know that there was this post made by a particular company. I'm not gonna call him because I'm not really gonna blame the company. But a post was made by a company's social media account in response to Terry Carrell's tweet. Terry Carrell basically said what should be the headline for the newspaper, The Gleaner, tomorrow. And the company account replied, goldfish. I'm somebody who can appreciate humor and wit, but the intention right there was just to be destructive and was just mean, and it was just not in the spirit of the moment. And since then, the company has actually come out and said that they fired the person who was behind the account, and they are trying to reach out to McLeod and make a formal apology and all of these things. And that me can give them a little clap and a little yeah, because I support that. But in typical style, the whole of Jamaica have something to talk about, so people are saying things at the office, people are saying things in comments, and people are just, I don't even know what to call it. This is a history-making moment. I think this is Jamaica's first gold medal at the Olympics in the 110 hurdles.
Wow!
And the brother over there, if you celebrate, all Jamaicans over there are supposed to celebrate at the Olympic Village. And we there, I forgot cloud that moment for them and make it into something else waiting a need for be. All because of one stupid idiot, ignorant person who go comment behind the tweet. It was just bad taste, bad taste. I love Jamaica, you know, and I love Jamaican people. I love our spirit, I love how we talk, I love how we engage. But sometimes we just a little bit too, we don't understand time and place, and we don't understand that sometimes words and things that we say can be destructive. I remember when me get a little Cranwater commercial and all of that, they go on and somebody said, Dirty Berry, nah, got about, why is he still a thing? Dirty Berry should have just dead. But they feel a little way. I did literally come off of YouTube for 1 year, you get me? Come off for 1 year, and because me allow little stupid people for so they want to say. But now I come back and I say, you know what, new meds, I'm going to do what I want to do. People have a problem with the whole box cover and the whole and all of this. But I'm going to stop it now, I'm going to show you, say, this is
actually my real voice, you know, Mr. Lover, me lover, And this is how I speak, and that is it. But now, if I do a Dirty Berry video,
I'm going to do a Dirty Berry video in the Alvin and Chipmunk voice, I'm going to fling up my hand them so 10 million different times. Because I'm not here to make you feel comfortable when you watch a video. This is exactly how them want me to talk on the channel, you know, Zine, yo, wah, shellings. Because when they hear that, they're like, oh my god, oh my freaking god, he just said rrr. He is a gangster like us. Therefore, I should feel totally comfortable to watch his videos now and share with my friends. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do my, Max, come on, this is Dirty Berry, and you're gonna watch it. You might not comment, but you'll watch it. And you'll secret legit rate it. If you can watch it and say, yo, the video is never good and it never have good quality, then we can say, okay, rare. But if all you have to say to me some stupid thing because you cannot feel comfortable for watch a video with me and do all of this, then to hell with you and you can go somewhere else. So that's all I'm going to say. The first gold medal ever in the 110 hurdles for men. Congratulations, Omar McLeod. Big ups to every single other person who was part of that movement, like Deuce Carter. I can't remember the other brother name. Is it Angelelli? But all of them who put out them heart and them energy and them soul upon the track for representing Jamaica. Congratulations again, and big up on yourself. Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry show. Make sure that you comment, you like, and please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 90,000 subscribers. Actually 100,000, but me have to set a short-term goal first, so it is 90,000. So share with a friend if you like it, and make them watch other videos them too. Take care until next time. Box cover.
I know. Come in, my clan. Come in, my clan. Come in, my clan.